Hi, I'm Ryan Szymanski, curator for Battleship New Jersey Museum and Memorial. Today we're going to show you the signal flag shelter, which is an original space on the ship that was actually used for the same purpose throughout the ship's entire career, which is a rare enough thing. And it's one of those spaces that we've just acquired junk in and we're working on cleaning out and restoring. So, the museum is closed right now and will remain closed likely for the next 6 months. During this time, all of our staff are furloughed. So I come in and volunteer my time continuing to make these videos thanks to the support that you guys have showed the channel on our GoFundMe campaign, which is linked in the description below if you would like to help us continue to make these videos. I'm donating my time, but our camera person, who does all the editing and posting and everything else, is being paid thanks to that campaign that you guys have supported. So if you can support us, please do. Another staff member during his furlough is coming in and working on this space. And our hope is between the money that we raise on that GoFundMe, we can pay a staff member to keep coming in here, and we can open new spaces so that when we reopen in April, there will be new stuff for you guys to come out and see. So here is sort of our before look at the space. We've cleaned a lot of junk out and we've started chipping paint. We've done less than 4 hours of work in here so far. So very much close to the beginning. And while we were here, I wanted to show you this original structure. And this passing port right here it only shows up here in the signal shelter. And I believe it is an original 1940s era fitting. So the signal structure, signal shack, is here on the O3 level, just aft of the flag officers' spaces, the flag bridge. And this is where the signalmen, this is where the signalmen would be as a shelter space. So we're undercover. It's actually 2.5 inches of armor plate around this, which is pretty unique that this high up the superstructure we've got armor plating for average enlisted guys. Obviously the conning tower up forward is armored, but to have armor like this in the superstructure is kind of a strange thing. So this is where they are sheltering. If needed, they can go out, or some of them can go out and put up signal flags, operate the signal lamps, which are around this space. But some of them would remain in here, and from here you can pass things through a port like this one. So let's see it in use. So there, it is not dogged anymore. It will move open, and here we have a crank. You can see it's moving this arm. So you can see the thickness of the armor from this casting here. And you can see it's real easy for me to pass things from here out to you where the signal flag bags are. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And if you would like to support restoration projects like this one, or our museum and our YouTube channel while we are closed to the public, please check the link in the description below for ways you can do that. We really want to have a new experience for you guys when we reopen 6 months from now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We try to put out new content several times a week. And as always, if you have comments or questions, drop them in the question section down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.